Today's video is going to be the complete opposite of the one I uploaded last week. I would suggest to go and watch the prior video first if you haven't already, because that will give you a balanced overview of how AI is going to impact our future and our jobs. Before we start with the video, let me give you a little disclaimer. Jobs featured in this video are purely based on my own research and are subject to debate. I also believe that these jobs cannot be completely replaced by AI in the near future. I am saying this because when we examine the history of technology, we can see that it has made our life more easier and convenient. For instance, our grandparents used to work in industries and farm, doing physical and labor jobs, working 80 to 100 hours in a week, whereas we are, with the help of technology and computers, working only 40 to 50 hours, that too sitting on our desk. And the time that we are saving, we are using that time to spend with our friends, family, to do things that we love, so you can clearly see the difference. Personally, I don't feel much fear or concern about AI. Instead, I believe that it will enhance our life and will provide greater convenience by generating new job opportunities that will require advanced skills. This will enable us to concentrate on the actual real problem rather than spending time on doing something which is repetitive. It took me a lot to make this video, so I would really appreciate your love and support by giving me a big thumbs up. If you're someone who is new to my channel, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell icon. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hey, this is Shabbir Arnodwala from SQuotient and welcome back to my channel. Number 7 is psychology. A psychiatrist's prime duty is to understand their patient's problem, try to have a conversation with them, and the most important thing is to show them empathy. Based on their understanding, then they offer them solution, help them in improving their mental health, and try to have a conversation with them. I personally feel that this is something that AI or robot cannot do, because for them either a scenario can be true or false. Let's assume that in future technology will be advanced enough that AI and robots will even have emotions, but then my question to you guys is, will you be comfortable enough to share your problems with someone who is not human and just machine? That is something we need to think about. Number 6 is lawyers and judges. These jobs are designed in such a way that they require a lot of good strategy, case analysis, and negotiation skills. Furthermore, an in-depth understanding of complex law is not only the requirement, but also a good human understanding and human touch is a critical skill. It is worth noting that quite a lot of law firms have already started using AI technology to improve their day-to-day job function and boost their efficiency. However, I still feel that it is going to be extremely difficult for AI technology and robots to completely replace lawyers and judges. Number 5 is investment banking. In a nutshell, these are private banks that are providing financial services to other companies and banks. These services are extremely customizable and tailored based on their client need, and it has something to do with a good understanding of their client's business and the data. If I have to explain you by giving an example, then we can take two food delivery startups. Let's say, for example, one startup wants to acquire another startup. Then we need a good valuation of that company, and also we need to come up with the terms and condition of merger and acquisition. And in order for us to do that, we need human interaction and a good human level understanding. This was just a basic example for me to make you understand my point. So what I'm trying to say is, AI can help us in coming up with an exact valuation by analyzing data, but it cannot replace the entire job of investment banking. Number 4 on the list is teachers. A teacher's job is not only to tell the student what to learn, but try to build a relationship with the student, try to understand the student, and also try to understand their problem, and then based on that come up with different ways to make the student understand the topic and to make them learn the topic. And most importantly, the human touch and the human element that they provide, and it becomes even more important when we take into consideration kindergarten and primary school. I won't deny that it's even easier with the help of edtech companies and technology that a teacher can now teach around the world, but I wouldn't agree on the fact that a teacher's job can be completely replaced by AI. Moving on, number 3 is doctors. Growth seen in past couple of years in medical science is tremendous, which has helped us in improving our healthcare system and reach those heights of success where we couldn't reach with the help of actual doctors. There is no denying in the fact that we have used artificial intelligence to perform diagnosis. We have also used robotic arm to perform surgeries, but don't forget the fact that in the back end there is an actual doctor performing the surgeries. I'm not saying that AI is not helping doctors. AI is instead helping doctors to better perform their job. We need to understand the fact that AI can never replace doctors completely. Instead, they can help doctors in performing their day-to-day job in a more accurate way, which can instead help in making them save even more lives. Number 2 is sportsman or athlete. We all have seen some videos of robots playing sports and it's really fun to watch them. But let me ask you a question. Would you be watching a game where robots are playing instead of humans? Well, I wouldn't, because normally when you watch a sports, then you always watch it for a player and not for the team. Well, some people you also watch for the team, but it's more about the strategy that they use. We see humans competing against them. It's more about their strengths, about their history and how they play. So that's why we enjoy that sport and we try to watch it again and again. And I personally don't feel that robots are ever going to take that fun away from us, and I would never want to watch robots play sports. I would always want an actual human to play sports. So I personally don't feel that robots will ever gonna take this job away. This brings us to the number 1 job that cannot be replaced by AI. I want you guys to give it a guess. Well, it is AI and ML engineer, and as the name suggests, these people help in developing the machine learning model and write the code and train artificial intelligence. These people are someone who are behind developing chatbots such as chatgpt and other AI tools. I work in a technology company myself, and trust me when I say this, it is very tough to become an AI and ML engineer. With AI gaining a lot of popularity in current years and the use cases are increasing day by day, I feel the demand of AI and engineers are already high and is going to be high in the coming years. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you found the video informative. If you did, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, because this will help my video reach even more people. If you are someone who is new to my channel, then I please want you to subscribe to my channel, because I come up with all such amazing content every week. With that being said, bye for now.